Hello guys, and we're back. Actually my first video, so I can't say we're back. This is sort of a mop grinder. So yeah, let me do it. I'm actually recording from my phone because it's my first time, and yeah. So here goes. This is something like a grinder. You see this lever, we just flick it and the mops should spawn. I don't know what's wrong now. It worked just now. I don't know what's wrong. Wait. Oh no, it's off. Okay, so you just flick it, and if we go here, look here, you see all these mobs. I'm like, what the hell? Let me get rid of them. I'm like, yeah, dude, look, you're gonna die. Woo, yeah. So they are right now all dying, just dying, like they always do. And you could go and see what you want. I have, but I'm too lazy, so we just open it up. And look at this. Look at the amount of beef I got just now. Yeah, so that's all for today. And thank you.